Keep going.
About the gifts I got you.
Let's see that one.
Is that dirty? Is that dirty?
Yes, it is.
Where did you get all these shirts?
I brought them from home.
Seriously, where did you get this shirt?
I brought them from
Take
home.
a guess.
Keep going.
Cut it on.
50% off, yo.
500 discount.
Dang, I don't need any more clothes.
That's what I
for
said.
Christmas.
I know. I hooked you up, right? That one's all you.
That's totally you. That color is you, man.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, shoot.
You're a little big.
That's already him. That's already you. Where's another one? Where's another one?
These are going to be good for kids.
Yeah, that's his voice. That was the
That's
voice.
for, it's all for the kids.
Oh, shoot.
That one you might
What? I actually like this one. Are these all a joke?
I just saw the stick. There's a
Dude.
stick.
Are these used? They are.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Take that back to cut it on. Get our money back.
Okay, wait, is there one more? There's one more, right? There's one more, right?
I wonder who actually like. I don't know where it is. Keep going. Keep looking.
Where do you think Cassie did her shopping at this year?
Was it here?
Okay, right. No.
Yes.
What?
Like in Australia, you mean?
Yeah, was it in Australia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You went to the freaking. You went to the Goodwill. didn't you?
No, even better.
What's the good book?
You got those from the treasure room?
I watched them all.
I'm never wearing those shirts. I actually put them up to myself.
I washed them.
She washed them all.
I washed them
Wait,
all.
she just didn't
Watch
see that
over
one
the
had a
other
stain.
It's still wet. That's not it. Where's
No,
the other one?
that's a good one. Where's the other
Oh,
one?
it's in the box, Internet. The small box. You put it in the box.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
You'll like this one. Hopefully it's your size.
There wasn't much option.
Open it all the way.
Tree star.
I
What is a
think
tree
you'll like
star?
it. No,
There's
that's
clothes
in
in
the
there.
box.
Why are we all laughing?
Because they were there when I went shopping. It matches.
They're wet.
Told you I washed them.
Our dryer doesn't work fully.
Those would fit you, right?
Oh God.
I washed them.
Smell it.
You need that for kids.
You need that.
Just wash them
Yay,
again.
Craig.
I
Merry
already washed
Christmas.
them. Now open the one from Brittany. I made that.
From Brittany.
To Brittany.
Wow.
Slap it on your wrist.
Yeah.
And that's how Cassie does Christmas. Love it. Christmas on a budget.
That's pretty. Yeah. Matching. Did you guys know about this?